So you have a OneNote notebook with some of your math in it, and you're going to be solving some problems, and you want to do a screencast to be able to provide extra help and support for your kids at home, but having to use Screencast-O-Matic, then download that, maybe put it in Google Drive, and then link it is doable, but it's a lot of steps. What we're going to show you today is how to keep everything contained within Canvas. So to start, you need to go to your Canvas course. And what I'm going to do is just go to Pages, View All Pages, because I'm just going to add this video to maybe an existing page that I already have. I'm just going to use this random page. I need to make sure I go into Editing. In Hidden in Plain Sight, there's a V. I'm going to click that and choose Screencast-O-Matic. If you're not already logged in, it should prompt you to log in. So I'm going to click Log in with Google and choose my Limburg Google account. Now that I'm logged in, I'm going to create a new recording. This is the first time I've done it, so it's going to ask me to download, install, follow the prompts on screen, just go ahead and open it up. As you see, now the recorder has launched. The first time, you're going to have to go through these steps. The second time you go through these steps, you're just going to get the recorder to launch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little bit larger to record a bigger area of my screen. Now that I've increased the size, I can see in my lower left it says record. Should give me a countdown. Now I know it's recording, so what I want to do is go back to my OneNote. So this is where I can give my math instruction. So 3 plus 3 is like, say, 6, I think. And then maybe you do some other math and do some sort of slope, angle, math-related things and triangle whatnots. And now I'm done. I've created my screencast. This is everything that maybe we talked about in class or how to solve a difficult problem. And so I can save this so when kids go home or even use it in class, they're ready to go. Click pause. Click done. And it looks, yeah, that's perfect. I really like it. So I need to title this, maybe homework help. So like chapter 3, section 2, click upload. And this is where the magic happens. So now that it's uploaded to Screencast-O-Matic, it's ready to embed in our LMS. Click Continue. I'm going to minimize my OneNote notebook, and here it is. I can adjust a few things here, but this is the default, so I just want to click Embed. I'm going to scroll down here, and don't forget to always click Save. Let's go to Home. I just want to view this as a student. So if I go to Home, scroll up a little bit, click Student View, go back to Pages, View All Pages. I think we put it on Balloon 2. Now check this out. Now I'm at home as a student. I can just, within Canvas.
Now I know it's recording, so what I want to...
That's pretty loud. Within Canvas, my screen recording is already there. So this helps remove a couple of steps from your screen recording, Screencast-O-Matic workflow.